Welcome back. We're going to take a look at 8 times 26 using that ratio table to help us solve. So if we go back to our ratio table here, previously we knew 4 times 26 was 104. We can double that 4 to get us to 8, or 4 times 2. So we're going to take that 104 and also double it, multiply it by 2 to get us our answer of 208. So hopefully you were able to solve that on your own. Let's take a look at our next problem. So if we know 8 times 26, we could solve 10 times 26. And this one is a friendly one because when we multiply by tens, we place that 0. So we can say 1 times 26 is 26, place that 0 for 10 times 26 to get us 260. We're going to build off of that 10 to try to solve 9 times 26. So 9 is one less group of 26. I'm going to show you the answer here. 9 groups of 26 is the same as doing 10 groups of 26, but take away one group of 26. So we know 10 times 26 is 260. We're going to take away one group of 26, or remove 26 from that answer, and 260 minus 26 gets us a total of 234. Let's move on and try to apply that same over strategy between 10 and 9 to 100 times 26 and 99 times 26. Go ahead and try to solve that on your own, applying the same strategies, and check back in for the answer.